Healthy food, organic food, but extremely delicious food. Hello and welcome to the Foodie. I'm Kunal Vijayka. Now, we receive constant complaints that the food we show on the show is not very healthy. But I can't help it. It's all very delicious food. Is there any food that is healthy and tasty? On this episode, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to do organic food. Being organic today is a way of life. Day by day, diverse avenues are mushrooming in the city. Be it organic cafes, tiffin, and catering services. This particular food custom has developed a niche for itself. Today, we embrace this alternative food lifestyle. I'm in a very, very small lane in Bandra in Mumbai, and the place is called Birdsong. Now, the thing about Birdsong is that it's the first pure 100% organic cafe in Mumbai. It's a fantastic looking place, but let's step in and see what they have. It's not easy to be the only 100% organic cafe in Mumbai. And Ashish and Jennifer, both here who are partners in this place, are going to tell me how this all happened. Let's just define organic. Organic is what?
Organic is the same food like how our grandfathers used to eat, like chemical free is another word for organic food.
Oh, lovely.
But what we have done is like, it's coming directly from the farm to the plate,
Fantastic.
So there's no error.
And I believe everything over here is organic, not only in the food, but also decor.
Yeah, the feel, we wanted to keep it like the grandfather's, style where, grandfathers went to, if they went to, some kind of cafes, it would, just look like that.
Yeah.
You know.
What is this?
This is
also
walnut gluten-free brownie, chocolate brownie.
this one.
Yeah.
So this is a gluten-free brownie and it's delicious. It's really nice. It's so chocolatey and full of cocoa. It's great. And this is a.
Date and walnut.
May I try this one?
I started with that cake.
Oh, this is your starting cake.
Yeah.
But is it difficult to get organic produce?
Sometimes it gets difficult, like how it's in the rain, it's not much is available. So we work around our menu, which whatever is available, we will run through that, and we'll keep adding. Every season we keep adding new stuff which is come to the market and directly to our plate. So everything is seasonal.
Seasonal, yeah, that's another
every 2
important
months we
thing.
have.
Okay, great. Ashish, Jennifer, all this chat is making me a little hungry, and I'm dying to see what you're going to serve me. Yeah. So let's eat a bit. What is it? I mean, I'll eat this, but I'll eat that also. So you thought there was a limitation when it came to healthy and organic food. Look at this food on my table. I'm going to start with this. It's a mint coriander and yogurt soup. Ah, it's really refreshing. Now this is a salad, but it's a brown rice salad. Oh, this is exceptionally good. It's rice, beautifully dressed, with shavings of carrots on it, with peppers. It's yum. And it doesn't seem like you're eating rice. Wait, this here is a lamb salad with quail eggs and feta. Here I found some lamb and one little tiny quail egg. Super. Hey, I need some feta also. Lamb salad with quail eggs and feta. There's a sweetness of the vegetables. There's a saltiness of the feta. When you eat like this, there is great taste and a real sense of eating well, which I normally don't. Nice. Over here is an organic minced lamb pizza. Looks very nice. Yum. I'd never go back to a pizza parlor again after this. This is great. Now this is the house speciality, the lamb sandwich. Lamb, onions, and the bread is made right over here. This is a killer. It's damn good. It's organic and all is very well, but there should be a control on the amount of food you eat also. You know? Okay, this is a lamb stew and it's served with brown rice. When you say stew, the first thing that comes to your mind is maida or corn flour inside. This is obviously without any of that. This is organic meat, cooked perfectly soft, tender, delicious. It's nice and peppery, masala. One would never think of a stew like this, but trust me, whether organic or disorganic or whatever you want to call it, this stew is the finest stew I've ever tasted. It's just too good. I'm going to end with this very, very healthy banana yogurt nut shake. And I am a happy and healthier man. While it's all about tasty food, there's also a bit of a science behind it. We're going to meet Shonali Sabharwal, who's a nutritionist and a chef. She's going to teach us a little more about this organic food, and she's shopping somewhere in Juhu. So let's go straight there.